Hi guys! To see how I style my hair, straightening and curling, keep watching! So I wanted to again say thank you to Stephanie. One of my YouTube subscribers sent me these beautiful bracelets, and they have all different gemstones. They're healing gemstones. Thank you, Stephanie. I love them so much. So after I wash my hair, I let it dry for a while so it doesn't take so long to blow dry. And right when I get out of the shower, I use Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum, and I put that all through my hair and just let it dry, air dry. I mean, it's still soaked, especially in the back. But after it's dried a little bit, I will spray it with my Pureology 21. Then I spray it with my Vidal Sassoon Pro Series Repair. This is a heat protector. And I use a lot of products because I want my hair to stay protected from the heat. The hair dryer that I use is, what's your name, hair dryer? I can't read it. Conair. Oh, it's right there. Infinity Pro Conair hair dryer. This helps to dry my hair a lot quicker. Oh, and I just wanted to let you know why I'm not using a brush to blow out my hair. I feel like because my hair is so long and thick, when I do that, it just pulls on my hair so much. And especially because I have neck issues, I have a Pro Disc implant in my neck and arthritis in my neck, so it's really hard when there's like a lot of tugging on my hair. So I just do it like this, and then I do all of the styling with my tools after. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like before I style it. I call this my cave woman hair. Next, I use my Moroccan Infusion styling oil. My Teamy Relax tea, my favorite. I have a coupon code for you guys if you're interested in trying this tea. They have so many different types of tea for colon tea, skinny tea, detox tea, my favorite relax tea. So I will link that below with a coupon code. Next, I use my Shine Spray-On Polisher. comb it through. You can see already my hair looks so much more hydrated and shiny before I've even styled it, just from those products. Next, I section my hair off. And you can see that mostly under here is where it's really wavy right now. And the flat iron that I use is Irresistible Me Diamond Flat Iron. I'll link that below also. My daughter was over last year and she tried my flat iron and she's like, "Mom, you have to get me this flat iron." So I bought this for her for Christmas and she's in heaven. So I try not to leave the heat on my hair too long, just enough to get the curl out and smooth the cuticle to make it look nice and shiny. Then I just keep letting the layers down.
Try not to fall for make-believe, but this is something else. I better be careful, you're beautiful, and I'm going down again. Hey, 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 hey. Ooh, ooh. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did. If I jump, I will fall, guaranteed. 20 seconds later, I did.
And when I do my bangs, go under like this.
And I'm going down again. You don't need a lipstick to kill someone with a smile. Is this another trick I haven't played for a while?
Then I I either go in the middle or on the side, depending. Now, if I'm doing my hair curly, I use my Conair Infinity Pro curling iron. I absolutely love this. I was afraid to buy a new one because I had bought one and the coating on it was sticking to my hair and my hair actually burned off. So I was terrified to buy another one, but I found this one. I absolutely love it. It does not stick to your hair at all. It glides through nice and smooth. The only complaint I have about this is these screws right here on either side. My hair sometimes gets stuck and rips my hair out, so I just have to be careful that my hair doesn't slide down into where the screw is. But otherwise, I absolutely love this. So to curl my hair, I just comb it. Go back with it, go almost to the end, and just slide through the bottom. Depending on how curly I want my hair, I'll leave it in longer, but right now I'm just doing a wave.
I wanna give you a million things, 'cause isn't love what it's all about? And how to make you smile again, something that I wanna figure out.
Just keep going all the way around, and I'm going back with all the curls.
If I could, I would get something new, then I would have what it takes. Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it, oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would get something new.
Okay, now for the bangs.
Make you feel like you're safe, 'cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you.
That's it. Now I just pull my fingers through my hair, and I use my Dove hairspray for no other reason than I love the smell.
Someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you.
So on the days that I don't wash my hair, what I do is I spray with my Pureology 21, comb it through, and that reactivates all of the products that I already have in my hair, and then I can just take my curling iron and touch it up real quick, and it looks like this all week. It actually looks better like day 2 and 3, and the curl will hold. I'll wake up in the morning and it'll look better than this. It'll stay all bouncy and curly. Usually on day 1 that I wash my hair, I only straighten it and I'll leave it straight for maybe a day or 2, and then on day 2 or 3 or even 4, that's when I will curl it. But today I wanted to show you guys how I do curling and straightening. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!
You don't have to feel like this, yeah, we could try to leave it all behind.